Hey, how you doing? So, this channel is going to do a whole 360. So now what you're going to see is a day in the life of me towing cars. Also, I'm a mechanic, so I will be fixing cars. So, they just going to just be happening. You might see me towing a car here. You might see me driving. You might see me driving to go fix a car. I do both, you know? And thanks for coming to the channel. Hope you like and subscribe. But let's go. There's our car. Well, truck, I guess. Silver hiding the ridgeline. Before I start to set up, I assess the car. Gotta load it up. Putting in the tow destination. It's automated. 15 minutes away. That's good. On the ridge line. Gotta load it up. Let's go. All done. She gone. On to the next. Alright, next tow. Got a gold BMW X5. Saying it's about 10 minutes away. I'll probably be towing it. Probably another 30 minutes away where I'm towing it to. So let's get it. On to the next. Well, you can't get them all. Couldn't get it in neutral, and it ain't worth dragging. You damage the transmission, the axles, rack pin. So if I can't get it in neutral, especially on BMWs because they got the electronic shifter, I cancel it. We got trucks that can actually do that, wheel lift trucks with dollies, so it ain't worth me wasting my time. On to the next. You know, you all seen the tire change before, so like that. Well, that's it for the day. Be back at it tomorrow. Like what you see, like and subscribe. It really helps. It only take a couple seconds to like, a couple seconds to subscribe. If you subscribe, I can upload more videos. It really helps. Thank you. Peace. Oh yeah, a little bonus feature. It's a box Chevy I did last week. Towed it to his house. He had 24s on it, he put 28s on it, so I did adapters, lift kit, complete, new springs, new shocks, new cups, new upper control arms. I ain't got 28s. Here's a video on how I look after I'm finished.